So Keynote and Magic Move can be a lot of fun, especially paired up as I've done here with a few transparent images from Pixabay. So what you'll notice as they go through the different transitions is Magic Move allows for a much more seamless transition and building in and using lots of different shapes. You can have a lot of fun with the design. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you've played around with it, you'll see that, again, you can magically move both text and image, and you can have a lot of fun with that. So just to give you a look at what that looks like from the work end, you'll notice that little blue triangle tab on all of the slides. That means that there's an added animation. So basically what you want to do is what I'm doing right here. I'm going to build my first slide, so I'm going to pull in these are, again, pieces that I've taken from Pixabay, so they are attribution-free Creative Commons. I'll add them to my top slide, and it's the original slide that you also have to add the animation to. So once I have everything that I need, I'm going to leave that alone. That's off the slide. And then I'm going to copy that slide again so that I have everything that I had with the first slide there, and then I'm going to start moving things into place. So I'm going to have to do arrange and bring that forward. I'll have to do that again with the F. And then again, once I've got everything in place, I'll go back to the top slide, and that's when I'm going to click animate, and Magic Move will appear. So sometimes people think, I don't have Magic Move, and that's because you're not trying to animate the slide, you're trying to animate an element. So it actually won't appear unless you're doing what we're doing here. And so again, every time I want to use Magic Move, I'm simply going to copy the slide from before so that the same images are there for me to add in.